Okay, so what is up, guys? And today I am going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. This is my new avatar, guys. I made a TikTok about it. You guys should check out my TikTok. Ian plays Roblox 1. Yeah, check it out, guys. I post some funny content on funny TikTok videos there. So, yes. Okay. Um. Okay. So today we are going to be really toxic to people. Okay. Oh my god. So we gotta get the yeeter out. Okay, guys. We gotta get the yeeter. Make a car with the harpoon. Okay. Make it with the car. Like make a car with the harpoon. Just make a car with the harpoon. I added my utility. I have my pilot seat there. I have a jet because like if they're in the boat, I just yeet them off the map. So yeah, that's what I do. That so you don't really need anything for this. Well, you need blocks, of course. You don't really need the pilot thingy. You don't really need it. So, but you need these wheels, and you need harpoons. I have you can also get the golden harpoon, but yeah, you should watch a different YouTube video. I got these from the Halloween event, and yeah, let's go bully people, boys. Bubba, move, bro. Yeah. Let's see if this kid wants to get heated, man. Let's see, bro. Come here, boy. You're coming with me, boy. Come here. Sis, I literally always do this, man. It's so funny to see these people just die. So funny. It's really funny, man. Oof, nobody's on this team. Let's go raid black team, boys. I'm coming, black team. Wait, I'm gonna pull my cousin. This is gonna be so toxic. Watch this. Yeet. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Yeet. Boom. Exploded. Now let's yeet my friend, man. Where'd he go? No! Why, dude? Why? Launch. Well, since I'm in this, let's go poop, man. Let's go. Bro, my boat needs to move. Yeet. Let me out, please. Let me out, please. Oh my god. Please. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be wearing this ugly avatar for probably the next week or so. I post daily, so please like and subscribe. And yeah. Oh no. Man, my boat, man. I really want to get yeet. Is the gamer still here? Oh, yeah. Well, let's get back to yeeting people. Well, if you guys do have the jet, this is probably the easiest yeeter you can build. Yeah. Don't forget to put the glue block unless you have the wrench, but I don't have the wrench. So here, let's just why? God. You thought. thought you were tough, man. You thought. Oh, my day is going, literally. Oh, my boat is breaking. Bro, now I gotta wait for this, freaking, what is this? Thruster to run out. Finally, it ran out, bro. Now I'm stuck in the ground. And my things are dislocated, man. Oh! Oof. Hopefully we have the... Well, if you guys want the Ultra Thruster, I'll show you guys how to get free Ultra Thruster. So, first let me get this jet. On anchor. Put a block there. Put the jet. Let's add some more just in case it runs out. Yeet. Yeet. What the? Oh. Yeah, I forgot about that. Bro, I'm so bad at this. Now I gotta. If you guys, in this video, I'll also show you guys how to make the ultimate cannon. Ultimate cannon. But first, let's see if the stage is here. Let's go, boy! Let's just wait, bro. Na 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 na. Bro, please, let's faster the process. Oh yeah, I can't add anything because it's out of bounds. I'm an idiot. Oh damn. One, two. Oh no, no, I'm left with no. I'm so bad. Well, since that didn't work, we'll just be using this. Let's do the grinder. If you guys want to grind gold, you should use this. I found this out in Snooping, guys. So, makes awesome buildable videos. Bro, I'm too big. You know what, Sean? I got you, man. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you, man. Get noob. Get ready to get out of the world, man. Bye-bye. 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 See you next generation. Okay, this you can be toxic. Not only the Yeeter, you can be toxic to other teams. But with this, you can be toxic to anybody. No, you're just come on. Get out there, buddy. Oh, not funny how my friend Mason's like, stop. I'll bully Sean some more. Okay, bro. I got you, man. Get yeeted, man. I'm gonna keep doing this till I annoy the F out of him, man. I'm gonna annoy him so much. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Got the whole club. Look, oh my. This is gonna be gorgeous. No, come here, come here. Stand still for me, but get out there, buddy! This is just too fun, man. Too fun. You missed! You're so bad, kid. You're so bad, kid! No! No, dude, no! You messed with the wrong person, dude! You messed with the wrong person! I'll give you... Bro. Ha ha! Loser! 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 You missed me! Get good! Your dog water, your garbage, baloney water, you're literally so you have zero earnings, you literally have zero earnings, no cash earned, nothing. You have negative arena points, negative earnings. Your dog water, macaroni water, baloney water, you're so dog water, man. Get good. Not today! You're so baloney water, man. Baloney water, dog water, chicken water, garbage water, macaroni water, baloney water, your dog water. Get a life, kid. Oh my god. Like, literally, this kid should get a life. This kid should get a life, man. This kid should get a life. Since he's screwing with me, I'll screw with Maston. Bro, that lock-on is insane. You know what? I'm done with this, man. Your dog water, your baloney water, man. Your baloney water. Hit your shots, man. Hit your shots, hit your shots, hit your shots, hit your shots. Dog water, baloney water. You're literally so garbage, man. Get a life. Zero earnings, bro. Get a life. Bro, this kid's some dog water. Yeah, this kid wanna play that way, huh, little stupid kid? Huh, stupid little kid. 8-year-old is messing with me, huh? Stupid little kid, huh? You want me to mess with you then, huh? Huh, kid? Huh? Huh? Stupid. Huh? You missed. Get good, man. Get good. I don't know what I'm doing, man. But this kid is baloney water at the game. Baloney water. Baloney water. This kid, you just learned. Hit his shots, man. Hit your shots, kid. Hit your shots. Low aim assist, hitbox, man. Hitbox, hitbox. Hitbox. This kid uses aim assist, hitbox, aimbot, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Bro, this effing kid is so effing annoying. Get a life. Get a life. Get a life. Oh my god, you're so bad. Hit your shots, man. Your baloney water, dog water, chicken soup water. Your dog water. Get a life, man. Yeet. You know what? Ah. I'm gonna send my sister flying. Go flying. Go flying. Go crazy. Bro, that aim assist is insane! Aim assist. Your earnings. Your earnings. Negative arena points. Negative arena points. Oh, this kid literally has negative arena points, man. He couldn't get any less dog water at the game. 0 arena points, man. Your baloney water, dog water, shit water. Oh my god. Oh, my bad. Get out there, kid. Get out there. Get out there, buddy. Oh my god, you just died, you stupid idiot. Nah, I don't really. Well, nope. Let's make another one, man. I'm gonna annoy the living hell out of this kid till he dies. Hey, what's up, kid? Hey, what's up, kid? Get out of here! He's calling me an Edoit. What's an Edoit? I can still see you, man! Come out, little kid. I can still see you, man! I can still see you. I'm not dumb like your mom. Oh my god, she's fat in the pot like your mom, where she belongs. So go get a life in your mice, in your mother, truck in heaven, smell like literal garbage. Oh my god, oh my effing god. I hate myself. Am I a bot? You're literally so bad. Your earnings, you should get a life. I ain't letting you do nothing, you little old bot. You can literally lock onto you, man. Bye, kiddo! La di da di da, la di da di da. Everything gon' be me no more. Once I yeet this kid one more time. Well, I'll troll Mason, man. I'll troll Mr. Mason G. Come here, boy. Go to heaven. Go to heaven. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one.